What you doing?
I'm gutting a fish.
Alright.
Maybe. I don't think I did that top part right.
Yeah, you did. No, it's good.
Blue. I can't get my finger.
No, what do you don't need that right now.
Well, I was doing it so it wouldn't fall out of my hand.
Okay.
This one's kind of tough.
It's a boy too. Right there.
I
Stick your
don't.
thumb down. Cut it more if you have to. Right there. Get it. There you go.
The heck?
Keep pulling. Keep pulling. There you go. Keep ripping. Almost. You're almost in. And
Yeah.
there it is. Throw that in the gut bag.
Time to cut off its head.
I think we might have a bear in the trash can tonight. There you go.
Fish head.
And tail. You just got it a full-grown trout in 2 minutes, man. Alright, I'll turn the hot water on, cut that membrane, clean them out.
Get all this out.
Alright, now cut that membrane and squeeze the rest of that crap out. Did you cut it? No, it's not open.
It's not open.
Definitely gonna have to sharpen my knife after this. There it goes.
Is that just blood or is that poop?
It's blood. It's a blood vein along its back. All the poop came out with the stuff you drug out the first time.
No boy's got anything on me.
Now we just gotta teach you how to gut a deer. And we are done.